2022 Supra GR. This got the Quattro Banger 4-cylinder turbo. It's got the same engine as a 330i BMW. And so we're just kind of like giving you guys some comparisons of what a full system sounds like on a 4-cylinder Supra. And what a muffler delete sounds like. So we have both videos. We're going to show you both. We're going to build a full 3-inch catback with a vibrant resonator in the midsection, a high flow Y pipe, and some sweet, wicked looking tips out the back. And you guys get to hear the difference if it's worth doing a muffler delete or building a full system on this 4-banger. So other Supra comes with a 3.0. This one comes with a 2.0. Not quite the 6-cylinder. Like I said, same engine as a 330. The 6-cylinder turbo Supra is the same engine as a 340. So basically same cars. We're basically cutting it at the downpipe back, running a full 3-inch all the way through the tunnel, through the bends, wicked bends all the way through, high flow Y pipe out the back, and some wicked tips out the back. So stay tuned. You guys let us know what you think. If it's worth doing a muffler delete, or if it's worth spending a little bit more money doing a full 3-inch exhaust, which I highly recommend just because the car is a turbo and it's a Supra at the end of the day. Look at that carbon wing, guys. So the one positive doing a custom catback is you get to pick whatever tips you want, guys. So if you got a black, white scheme, carbon fiber scheme, we got a bunch of different tips in stock. So this guy went with a 5-inch double wall black powder coated tip. It's gonna look pretty sick out the back. It's gonna fill out that whole cutout. Boom, like a glove, guys. So, you know, most catbacks come with a dual 4.5, or some of them do come with a 5-inch, but most of them come with a 4.5-inch tip. Jay actually has the Supra. He's got the Borla system. They said it's at a carbon fiber 4.5 though. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but whatever. We get what we get, and they sponsored us, so shout out to Borla. So, but yeah, 5-inch double wall black powder coated tips. We're gonna run it with a finished product. Like I said, it looks pretty sick. We're probably gonna curve it a little bit to match the bumper. And then Berto's gonna run the high flow Y. Slap these tips on there. Customer's gonna be happy as hell.
We got the 2022 Toyota Supra all set and done. It got the high flow Y, 5-inch black powder coated tips. Berto's over there spraying it down right now. All the way up here, we got the vibrant resonator. This system is all 3-inch, so she is making some more power. And we deleted the resonator that was right here. It was a huge suitcase. It probably went from like here to there. Ran the 3-inch piping all the way to the stock downpipe. We do not touch the downpipes. Later in the future, the customer can get a custom or a aftermarket downpipe. She'll be making probably like another 100 horsepower if she does that. But the Supra is pretty clean. It's not a V6. It's a 4-cylinder, which isn't bad. I mean, they all look the same. There's no physical difference in these cars. They all look like they're all V6s. But when you put them on the track, you can tell the difference. Personally, my preference is the V6, but everybody has different preferences, different budgets, different lives. This is a pretty cool color. It's like a dark gray, and she has carbon fiber everywhere. The carbon fiber front grille, carbon fiber lip. She has carbon fiber side fenders as well too. Carbon fiber mirror caps. She has a carbon fiber wing as well too back there. I don't know if you guys can see it right now in the camera, but I'll show some B-roll of it later. And she got some HREs on there too. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. A good way you can tell a Supra is not a 3.0 is by the calipers. The front calipers would be a little bit bigger and they would be red. My car is a Toyota Supra as well. It is the 6-cylinder one. 3.0. It has a downpipe, a full Borla catback system. Shout out to Borla for sponsoring us. But a cool thing about this car is these headlights right here. These are the OG remakes of the Mark IV Supra. If you can tell right there, it has the four light bulbs which the Mark IV also has that type of vibe as well too. This is a pretty clean build for a 4-cylinder. So we're gonna drop it, crank it, we're gonna rev it. You guys let us know in the comments what you think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it, if you would have just gotten a V6, or if you would have got a AWE catback system or something else. But this is pretty clean though.